estimated manufacturing overhead based on 10,800. So this 23.4 is the estimated overhead rate, right, per unit, right, per direct labor hours, the per direct labor hours. So what if we assumed exactly 10,800 direct labor hours? What will be the estimated one? 23.4 multiplied by 10,800. Answer is
252,720.
Now can you compare this estimated with the actual one?
Yes. Yes.
Because the base is now 10,800, 10,800, right? Now you can say that, okay, you did really well. Why? Because according to our analysis, it should be 252,720, and now we have utilizes the cost 249,000. David, Chandra, Christine, Sipade. Now you understand that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
David,
Yeah, I said absolutely. I understand that.
good. This is very small step, but I guarantee you, if I give you these kind of question in exam, you will forget this. And I'm saying this on record, because most of the students, they don't pay attention. They say, okay, actual and estimated, okay, we did good, and they click, okay, good, that's it. So remember that one. So right, everything should be based on actual one, even the predetermining overhead rate. That's it. Yes, David, you want to ask something?
No, I just want to say it has been like that since microeconomics, where every detail.
Okay. Okay, now, now interpreting the average unit cost. Okay, before going into that one, let's have a 10 minutes break. Then we start from here. Okay, welcome back after a break. So we were discussing the interpretation of average cost. So here we go. So the average cost, right? The average cost should not be interpreted as the cost that would actually be incurred if an additional units were produced. So remember that one, the behavior of fixed cost is that fixed cost per unit is that it not stable, it changes, it varies, right? For example, if your fixed cost is 10,000 and you are making, for example, 1,000 units, right? So according to you, the per unit fixed cost would be 10. Okay, so this per unit fixed cost can only up to the level of if you are making 1,000 units, right? What if you start making 2,000 units? The fixed cost properties are that they are independent from production. Now fixed cost is 5. So 5 is not equal to 10, right? So if you are making additional units, so that doesn't mean that your average cost stays the same. Your average cost would be even less, right? Because of the property of fixed cost. So the fixed cost overhead would not change if another unit was produced. So the incremental cost of another unit is something less than the 118. Why? Because In our job cost sheet, we saw that 236 was the total cost and we make 2 units, right? What if, we make 3 units, then the cost decreases. That's what they are saying. Okay, so if you understand, please answer this question. So we have a job WR53 at NW Fab Incorporation, which requires 200 direct material, 10 direct labor hours at 15 per hour. Estimated total overhead cost was 760,000 and the estimated direct labor hours were 20,000. What would be recorded as the cost of job of WR53? All of you guys, please calculate that.
E.
D, right?
DT.
D. Okay. Sipade, you find out D. David, did you find D? Something else? David.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Chandra,
Yeah.
what is your answer?
Yeah, I said 730.
730, okay. Christine, your answer also 730?
Yeah.
Sipade?
No, but my answer is not in these options.
Okay. It means we need to calculate that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's calculate it. David, pay very close attention here.
It's D, I think.
Okay, good. It's D. Okay, you wonder also here. It is D. Let's talk about this. So what is so see, they are talking about the total job, cost of the job. And cost of the job include direct labor, direct material, and manufacturing overhead, right? So what is direct labor? 200,
Yeah.
right? What is sorry, that is direct material.
150 multiply 15 by 10, right?
Yeah, it's 150. How you calculated that? Because you need 10 hours to complete that job, and per labor hour is 10. So 15 multiplied by 10. Now, what is the manufacturing overhead? Manufacturing overhead, we have given the estimated value, which is 760,000 divided by 20,000. What is the answer? Sipade?
380.
38. 38.
38.
It's
Right?
38. Yeah.
This is 38
Oh,
per
30.
hour, right? The POHR is per hour. And this job takes 10 hours. Right, Sipade? I think you made a mistake here. So
Yes.
38 multiplied by 10. Right? So answer would be 380 manufacturing overhead. So if you add 200, 380, 150, answer would be 730. Right? Get it, Sipade?
Yeah, I understand.
If you understand that, then this is your breakout room activity. Well, not breakout room, I think this is individual activity. Please, you have 10 minutes to do that. Take a picture. And if you are having our online lectures, please stop the video right now and try to solve it. Okay, so how did you calculate the unit product cost? So simple, direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. So what is the direct material? Direct material is 10,000. Direct labor is 12,000. While the manufacturing overhead is 15,000. How? Because it is calculated as 125% of the direct labor. Answer is 38,000. Right? But number of units produced were 1,000. So 38,000 divided by 1,000. Answer would be 38. Right?
Wait, isn't it 37?
30. Oh, yeah, 37. Sorry.
Yeah, it's 37.
37. Okay, my bad. It's 37. Okay, 37. Right? Good. Here we go. And now understand the flow of cost in job order cost system and prepare appropriate entries. Let's talk about this. So now here comes our knowledge from the principles of accounting. It comes here that you need to make entries. So let's talk about this. So first of all, how the order came, recall our introduction example. So first a sale order comes, right? When